Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing problems with your Dyson HD01's cable not staying connected, you're not alone. This common issue often arises from wear and tear on the cable or the connector itself. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, such as the device not functioning at all, leaving you without a reliable vacuum. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement cable compatible with the Dyson HD01, and a pair of pliers. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged from the power source. Begin by using the appropriate screwdriver to carefully remove the screws securing the casing. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the casing is off, locate the cable connector. This is usually found near the power inlet where the cable enters the device. Inspect the connector for any visible damage. If it appears worn or loose, it's time to replace it. Gently pull the connector away from its housing, taking care to observe how it's connected to avoid confusion later. If any wires are attached, use your pliers to carefully disconnect them. When you have the old connector removed, take your new replacement cable and attach it in the same manner as the old one. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there are no exposed wires. Now, carefully place the casing back over the main body of the Dyson, aligning it properly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, but be cautious not to over-tighten them as this could damage the casing. Once everything is securely fastened, plug your Dyson HD01 back in and test the cable connection. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to handle the cable with care, avoiding excessive pulling or twisting. Regularly check the condition of the cable and connectors, and replace them at the first sign of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.